Hi, I'm Effie, and welcome to Lifestyle Tips for Me, your go to place for clean eating, healthy habits, and simple wellness tips. If you're ready to transform your health with practical, sustainable changes, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now, let's get into today's topic. Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate clean eating grocery list: what to buy and what to avoid so you can shop with confidence and fuel your body the right way. Let's get started. Why your grocery list matters. What you bring into your home is what you'll end up eating. That's why making smart choices at the grocery store is the first step toward a healthier lifestyle. A well-planned clean eating grocery list will help you avoid processed foods loaded with artificial ingredients. Save money by focusing on whole foods instead of packaged items. Feel better by nourishing your body with real nutrients-dense food. So what should you buy and what should you avoid? Let's break it down. What to buy: clean eating essentials. When building your grocery list, focus on whole, minimally processed foods like these. Fruits and vegetables. Choose fresh organic when possible. Prioritize the Dirty Dozen for organic choices. Dirty Dozen and buy conventional from the Clean 15. Frozen fruits and veggies are great if they contain no added sugars or sauces. Whole grains. Look for brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole grain bread. Avoid white flour and processed grains that have been stripped of nutrients. Healthy fats. Choose avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and coconut oil. Stay away proteins. If you eat meat, choose organic, grass-fed, or pasture-raised options. Plant-based, go for beans, lentils, chickpeas, and fermented soy products like tempeh. Avoid processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and deli slices. Beverages. Stick to water, herbal tea, and natural coconut water. Avoid sugary drinks and artificial sweeteners. What to avoid: foods that harm your health. Now let's talk about what not to buy. These foods can sabotage your clean eating efforts. Processed and packaged snacks. Chips, candy, and sugary granola bars are full of artificial ingredients. Instead, make homemade snacks like trail mix or energy bites. Refined sugars and artificial sweeteners. Stay away from high fructose corn syrup, aspartame, and sucralose. Choose raw honey or maple syrup in moderation. Soda and sugary drinks. These are linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, and weight gain. Switch to herbal tea or fruit-infused water instead. White bread and processed grains. Stripped of nutrients and often loaded with preservatives. Opt for whole grain, sprouted, or sourdough bread. Fast food and instant meals. Most are high in trans fats, artificial flavors, excess sodium. Meal prep at home to have healthy, quick options. Clean eating pantry staples. Now that you know what to buy and what to avoid, let's talk about the clean eating pantry staples you should always have on hand. Having a well-stocked pantry makes it easier to prepare healthy meals, avoid last-minute processed food choices, and stay on track with your clean eating goals. Here's a simple go-to list of must-have pantry staples to support a clean and healthy lifestyle. Whole grains and legumes. Brown rice, quinoa, oats, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, healthy fats and oils. Extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, natural sweeteners. Raw honey, pure maple syrup, medjool, dates, dried and canned goods. Canned tomatoes, coconut milk, apple cider vinegar, organic veggie broth, herbs and spices. Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, garlic powder, turmeric, cumin, cinnamon beverages. Herbal teas like chamomile, green tea, peppermint, purified water, coconut water. See the description for the link to download the Clean Eating Pantry Staples list. Bonus tips for smart grocery shopping. Shop the perimeter. Fresh produce, meats, and dairy alternatives are usually found on the outer edges of the store. The middle aisles often contain processed junk food. Read labels carefully. If an ingredient list is too long or full of chemicals, put it back. Look for real, recognizable ingredients. Stick to your list. Plan your meals in advance to avoid impulse purchases. I hope this video makes clean eating grocery shopping easier for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip. In my next video, I'll share meal prep strategies to make clean eating simple and stress-free. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.